Hello, hello, hello everyone. Tony Coleman-Brown here and welcome to 2023. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about several things that I think that you're going to need to do in order to be successful online in 2023. Let's face it, it's a new year and we all make mistakes, but let's leave the mistakes of 2022 back there and let's not bring them into 2023. You know, the first thing that you're going to need in order to be successful online in 2023 is focus. Focus is extremely important. I run across a lot of entrepreneurs who like to call themselves serial entrepreneurs, meaning that they've dabbled in this and they've dabbled in that, but they haven't really been consistent in one thing. What you're going to have to do in 2023 is make your focus your major mission. Whatever it is that you want to accomplish in this year, keep it in the forefront. Make it your mission statement. Make it a part of everything that you do. And if there's anything that comes your way in this year that takes you off of that mission, then you want to let go of it and let go of it right away. So that's the first thing that you're going to need in order to be successful in 2023. The second thing that you're going to need is consistency. A lot of us, just like I said before, a lot of us like to call ourselves serial entrepreneurs. And like I said, that could be a little bit messy. That could mean that you're all over the place. But consistency coupled with focus is really going to help you go far. You see, when you are consistent, that means that you are showing up every single day consistently and focusing on one thing until you make that big goal happen. Most of us are in business because we want to make money. A lot of us are in business because we really and truly enjoy helping people. But if you help more people get what they want, you will get what you want. But you have to be consistent about that. One of the things that I regret about 2022 is not really being as consistent as I normally would have been. In most years, I'm always showing up. I'm always there. I'm always in the forefront. But in 2022, I took the back seat because there were so many other things going on in my life, such as my daughter graduating from high school, going to college, going away for her freshman year. So I decided to really take a step back to actually be present and be in that moment. And that was a decision that I made. I don't consider it bad. I consider it just a decision that I made in 2022. But in 2023, I'm going to be focused. I'm going to make focus my mission, and I'm going to be consistent. Now, the third thing that you need to be in 2023 to really have success online is visible. One of the things that I did in 2022 that I'm not going to do in 2023 is I shied away from being present online. I really, like I said, I took a step back so that I could be present and in the moment for everything that I had going on in my life. And boy, did I have a lot of things going on in 2023. And I'll save that for another video. But you want to be focused. You want to be consistent and you want to be visible. And what that means is you need to show up, and you need to show up on a regular basis. Show up for the people that need you and show up for the people that need you and don't even know that they need you. But just show up and definitely be consistent and focus on that one thing that's going to get you to the finish line and help you achieve and accomplish that big goal for this year. Now, the fourth thing that you're going to need to be is bold. And what I mean by that is you can't be afraid. You can't be afraid to get in front of the camera. You can't be afraid to speak in front of people. You have to be bold and bodacious. Really step out there and show the world who you are. Show everyone what you're all about. Let everyone see your grit, your chutzpah, what you are really made of. And be bold about what you know and be bold about what you do. Because people like to follow follow people that are confident. And that's the fifth thing that you're going to need to be in 2023 in order to have success online. You're going to need to be confident. You're really going to have to show up and show out, be present, be bold, be visible, and be focused. That's really, really important. Be consistent, right? We don't want to forget about consistency. Now, the sixth thing that you need to be in 2023 in order to be successful online is unstoppable. One of the things that I said about 2023 was that I was going to bring in and harness in all of my Leo energy. And Leo energy is strong, powerful, bold, bossy. And that's one of the things that I said that I was going to be in 2023. Strong, powerful, bold, bossy, channeling all my Leo energy. And trust me when I say I am not a Leo. Okay, I'm an Aquarius, but I'm channeling that Leo energy because it's strong, it's powerful. And I said that I was coming into 2023 roaring like a lion. And that's what you have to do if you want to have success online. Because guess what? You have to be unstoppable because there are going to be a lot of shiny objects that's going to come in your way, that's going to come and try to knock you off your path. But in order to be successful online, you're going to have to be these six things. And they are, you're going to have to focus. Focus on one thing. Don't play around being a serial entrepreneur, dabbing in this, dabbing in that. Focus on one thing so that you can achieve that big goal. The second thing you want to do is be consistent. Show up every day because that's important. Show up for yourself and show up most importantly for those who need you, and that's your clients and your ideal customers. The third thing you want to be is visible. You definitely want to make sure that you are showing up online. You're visible for your audience. You're visible for your ideal customers. That is so important. And let's not forget about the fourth thing, being bold and bodacious, really just harnessing in all of your strength, all of your confidence, everything that you have inside and your passion for what you want to do. Be bold about that. Be unapologetic and bold about that. And the fifth thing that you want to be is confident, because confidence is everything. People love confident people. Confidence is cool. It's sexy. It's strong. It's solid. It's all of those things. And that's what you want to be. And that sixth thing, which is so important, you want to be unstoppable. Okay, because all of these things are going to flash across your screen. All of these things are going to flash across your ear. You're going to hear a lot of different things. You're going to see a lot of different things. And all of those things are going to want to creep up on you so that it can knock you off your path. But be unstoppable so that nothing can come along and knock you off your path and take you from where you want to go in this new year. My prayer for you is that you have everything that your heart desires in 2023 and that you accomplish your biggest and most boldest goals in this year. And I hope to see you and see you often. And make sure, if you haven't already done so, register for my planning workshop because it's going to help you accomplish those big goals in 2023. So with that, my name is Toni Coleman-Brown, and I'm going to be signing off. But make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you register for the workshop that I have coming up because it is going to really help you get your MBA this year. And that stands for your massive bank account, because that's what we're going for in 2023. And we're hoping to achieve all of our goals and be healthy and be safe. All right, this is Toni Coleman-Brown here signing off, and I will see you on the next video.